Ever tried to make something move automatically and gotten stuck figuring out how to control it? You're not alone. Track actuators are transforming how engineers approach linear motion in everything from automated TV lifts to sliding doors. But here's the thing most people miss. You're not locked into using the basic hand controller that comes in the box. Track actuators represent a significant leap forward in linear motion technology. Unlike traditional rod-style actuators, these units feature a track-based design that handles side loads exceptionally well. This makes them perfect for applications where forces aren't perfectly aligned, like sliding panels that might get pushed or pulled unevenly. The standard setup is simple: 24-volt DC power, a plug-in adapter, and a wired controller with extend and retract buttons. But here's where it gets interesting. The control system uses basic polarity reversal. Positive voltage moves it one way. Reverse the polarity and it goes the other way. Cut the power and it stops. This simplicity is actually your gateway to endless customization options. Want to integrate remote control? Need to connect it to your existing automation system? Planning to replace that hand controller with discrete switches, or even program it into a smart home setup? All totally doable once you understand the interface options. The built-in limit switches automatically stop motion at full extension and retraction, protecting your system from damage. This means you can focus on creative control solutions without worrying about overdriving the mechanism. Whether you're an engineer developing specialized equipment or a DIY enthusiast building the next great automation project, understanding these interface options opens up incredible possibilities for custom linear motion solutions. Find the link in the description below to read the full article.